Low self-esteem is painful. For children, it's associated with anxiety, depression, sometimes eating disorders. And for parents, too, it hurts us to hear our kids putting themselves down. The problem is that the obvious remedies for low self-esteem simply do not work. Lavish praise along the lines of, "You're amazing, you're wonderful." We say it all the time, and we mean it as parents. But the more we tell our self-doubting kids that they're wonderful, the harder they argue, "I'm terrible." Self-help gurus and social media influencers say things like, "You have to love yourself before you can love anyone else." But that's not what research says. A mountain of studies have found that higher self-esteem does not cause better school performance. It does not prevent kids from smoking, drinking, using drugs, or engaging in early sexual activity. It also does not lead to healthier relationships. To me, the take home from all of this is that trying to boost children's self-esteem is simply the wrong goal. Think about what it's like when you're talking to a close friend. You're not sitting there thinking, "Does she like me?" or "Is he impressed by me?" If it's a close friend, you're not even thinking about yourself. You're just immersed in the activity or the conversation. There's a wonderful kind of forgetting of the self, and this is called a quiet ego. Instead of trying to boost kids' self-esteem, what we need to do is turn down the volume on self-focus and self-judgment. We need to help our children to let go of the question, "Am I good enough?"